Tightness or stiffness in the knee, causes and home remedies. A feeling of tightness or stiffness in the knee can occur as a result of overuse, injury, or age-related wear and tear. This video outlines some common causes of tightness in the knee and their associated symptoms. It also provides some treatment options for alleviating tightness in the knee. Meniscal tear. The menisci are two crescent-shaped pads of cartilage inside the knee joint. They help cushion the knee joint and allow smooth and flexible movement of the knee. Injuries or tears to the menisci can happen during sport or as a result of general wear and tear. A person may hear or feel a pop when their meniscus tears. Other common symptoms of meniscal tear include pain, swelling, or tenderness around the knee. A feeling that the knee locks, gets stuck, or does not fully straighten. Pain when fully bending the knee, such as when squatting. Treatment. According to the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, the treatment a doctor recommends will depend on a number of factors, including the location and severity of the tear, the person's age, their activity levels, their symptoms. In some cases, this injury may require surgery. Ligament or tendon injury. Ligaments and tendons are bands of fibrous connective tissue. Ligaments connect bones to other bones, whereas tendons connect muscles to bones. Injuries to the ligaments or tendons of the knee most often occur during sports or other physical activities. Ligament or tendon injuries can cause the following symptoms: knee pain, knee swelling, or both. Pain when fully straightening or bending the knee. A feeling that the knee is unstable or about to give way. Treatment. Treatments for ligament or tendon injuries depend on the extent of the leg damage. A doctor may recommend wearing a knee brace to help stabilize and protect the knee joint, trying muscles strengthening exercises, doing gentle stretches. Some ligament and tendon injuries require surgical intervention by an orthopedic surgeon to restore stability to the knee joint. Arthritis. There are two main types of arthritis that can cause tightness in the knee: osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis in the United States, affecting over 2.5 million adults. It occurs when the cartilage that helps cushion a joint breaks down, eventually causing bone to rub against bone. Osteoarthritis typically leads to the following symptoms: joint inflammation and swelling, joint pain, joint stiffness, particularly after sitting or lying down for a period of time. Treatment. Although there is currently no cure for knee osteoarthritis, the following may help ease the symptoms: losing weight when appropriate to reduce load bearing on the knee joint, physiotherapy, which can help strengthen the muscles around the knee joint, taking medication to help treat joint inflammation and pain, such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. If these treatments do not improve a person's symptoms, an orthopedic surgeon may recommend a partial or total joint replacement, which is surgery to replace a damaged joint with an artificial joint, or osteotomy, which is surgery that involves realigning the bone either above or below the knee to shift the load bearing of the joint away from the damaged area. Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition in which the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells within the body. This condition primarily affects the joints, but it may also affect other body tissues. According to the CDC, rheumatoid arthritis can cause chronic pain and stiffness within the joints. The condition often affects both knees. Treatment. There is currently no cure for rheumatoid arthritis. However, medications called disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs can help slow the progression of the condition. The following self-help measures may also help reduce pain and improve joint function. Increasing physical activity levels, losing weight when appropriate, quitting smoking. Arthrofibrosis. Arthrofibrosis of the knee or stiff knee syndrome occurs when too much scar tissue builds up around the knee joint. The condition can develop following knee surgery. Symptoms of arthrofibrosis include pain, swelling, and warmth in the knee joint. People with this condition may also walk with a bent knee or a limp. Treatment. Early on, mild forms of arthrofibrosis are manageable with physiotherapy. However, more advanced cases with significant stiffness often require surgery to remove the scar tissue and improve range of motion. When to seek help. A person should see a doctor if they experience severe or persistent tightness in the knee. Some other symptoms that may indicate the need for medical attention include pain or swelling around the knee joint, locking or painful clicking of the knee joint, a feeling that the knee is about to give way, an inability to bear weight on the affected leg. The doctor will ask about the person's symptoms and conduct a physical examination of the knee. They may also order one of the following tests. Imaging test. An X-ray or MRI scan may help reveal structural irregularities or injuries of the knee. Joint aspiration. This is a procedure that involves using a needle and syringe to remove fluid from inside the knee joint. A laboratory technician will then analyze the sample to determine the cause of the knee problem. Knee arthroscopy. This is a type of keyhole surgery that involves inserting a tiny camera into the knee joint to examine the cartilage and other tissues inside the knee. Home remedies. Some home remedies may help ease tightness and stiffness. Price therapy. Price stands for protection, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Protection. This means taking a break from physical activities that could cause further knee strain or injury. Rest. This can reduce the risk of further injury and allow damaged tissues to heal. Ice. This can help reduce swelling and inflammation. A person should wrap the ice in a cloth before applying it to the skin. Compression. This may help limit swelling and inflammation. Elevation. Keeping the knee raised above the level of the heart may reduce swelling. Regular exercise. As often as possible, a person should choose low impact physical activities that are more gentle on the joints. Some examples include swimming, cycling, using an elliptical trainer, using a rowing machine, yoga, tai chi.